We're going to be doing an overview of the equity shares real estate marketplace. So find your next NFT real estate property. You can buy, sell, and invest in rental properties or get fix and flip loans with equity-based lending. This is for accredited investors. You can lease, auction, 1031 exchange, and also look at properties. This website is driven by real estate agents, brokers, as well as property owners. You can do for sale. As an accredited investor, you'll be able to log in. As a property owner, you can list your property for rental. You can also get a bridge loan, view property data. And if you're a mortgage lender, then you can also log in as well and participate in funding some of these properties that can be sold to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac as FHA loans, as well as conventional and VA loans, and also non-qualified mortgage loans. You can also be able to search properties, invest in what inspires you. Freedom in retirement starts with freedom with investing. With every IRA has a tax advantage. Only a self-directed IRA has the advantage of breaking free from the confines of Wall Street to work harder and smarter in the investment of your choosings. Mortgage loans, rental properties, fix and flip projects, business startups, 1031 exchanges, qualified opportunity zone funds. Earn steady and reliable returns with real estate asset backed by NFTs. Are you a sophisticated investor looking to diversify your portfolio and participate in high yield investments outside of the stock market? Consider investing in NFT credit spread, self-directed IRA bridge loans, and earn up to 18% APR. Historically, real estate investments have earned 4.6% to 6.6% per year on average, while stock market indices have earned approximately 10% annually over the long term. Let your money work for you and maximize your earnings with an NFT credit spread SDIRA bridge loan. By investing in these high yield opportunities, you can get a return up to 18% APR, significantly higher than traditional investments like stocks or real estate. Don't miss out on these great returns. Start investing your money outside of the stock market today with NFT credit spread SDIRA bridge loans and experience up to 18% APR. Choose the terms. Although your account is technically the investor, as the account holder, you have the power to qualify buyers and make final decisions on investment terms and interest rates. Secured or unsecured, the account holder, you can negotiate with the borrower to determine whether the investment will have security or not. Typically, security instruments will include a deed of trust, a vehicle, title, or etc. Can a self-directed IRA invest in real estate? We'll also be offering an investment calculator. You control the lending process when you use your self-directed IRA to issue non-recourse mortgage loans and secure real estate notes. We'll also be able to provide a real estate investing guide. Some of the frequently asked questions is, who can finance real estate with a self-directed IRA? Your self-directed IRA can decide who to lend money to, with some exceptions. Under IRS rules, the self-directed IRA cannot lend to any disqualified person. That means you can't borrow from your self-directed IRA, nor can your relatives or anyone connected to the plan, such as the IRA provider or custodian. Otherwise, you choose who to lend to, whether it's a first-time home buyer from the internet, mortgage broker, real estate professional, a startup looking for funding, or a close friend who needs money. From office buildings to raw land, your self-directed IRA account can tap into the booming real estate market. Whether you're an experienced real estate investor or you're looking to get started, we're here to help. A tax advantage plan can hold qualified opportunity zones, residential properties, commercial properties, 1031 exchange, rental portfolio loans, raw and undeveloped land, issue mortgages, deed of trust, multifamily properties. How can individuals qualify as accredited? Professional criteria: if you hold a Series 7, Series 65, Series 82, part of a general partnership, selling the securities, a family client of a family office that qualifies as an accredited investor. Financial criteria: you have to have a net worth over $1 million, excluding your primary residence, individuals with a spouse or partner, income over $200,000 individually or $300,000 with spouse or partner in each of the prior 2 years, and reasonably expect the same for the current year. So we have, how can business entities qualify as accredited? Well, we have 5 steps here. 1 is entities owning investments in excess of $5 million. 2 is by assets, which is the following entities with assets in excess of $5 million, which is corporations, partnerships, LLCs, trusts, 501c3s, organizations, employee benefit plans, family offices, and any other family client of that office. Owners are accredited. Entities where all entity owners are accredited investors. Number 4, investment advisors, registered by the SEC or state registered or exempt reporting advisors or SEC registered broker dealers. 5, financial entities, a bank, savings and loan association, insurance company, registered investment company, business development company, or small business investment company, or rural business investment company. Depending upon the structure of the entity or its assets, entities may qualify as accredited investor. Discover private real estate NFT investing. So private equity investing, lending, and NFT real estate marketplace. Unlock the hidden wealth in real estate NFT assets. Equity shares makes it easy to create a real estate token that represents a fraction of your property. Equity shares is a revolutionary way to tokenize your property and unlock hidden value. It's an Ethereum standard ERC 1155 real estate token that can be used to represent shares of the securitized asset. With equity shares, you can benefit from the liquidity and potential growth opportunity that comes with fractional ownership and a wide range of investors. With equity shares, you can open up new ways to increase the value of your property and attract more potential investors to join in on the success. Easily manage and trade tokens with a secure blockchain infrastructure so you can gain maximum value from your investments. Start tokenizing your property today with equity shares. You will create a wallet as well as get verified as an accredited investor. If you're an individual accredited investor considering an investment in a Reg D 506C private placement and need to be verified, you can click here to get your secure electronic certificate of verification. We also have an accredited investor questionnaire, and there's also disclaimers. Equity shares, real estate marketplace, investors must have a MetaMask Web3 wallet to receive ERC20 tokens. You can see the MetaMask setup instructions, the definition of a utility token, a digital token of cryptocurrency that is issued in order to fund development of the cryptocurrency, and that can be later used to purchase a good or service offered by the issuer of the cryptocurrency. Sold utility tokens as a method of fundraising for the startup. There's risk and disclosures. Bitcoin, ERC20 tokens, and other cryptocurrencies are very speculative investments and involve a high degree of risk. Investors must have the financial ability, sophistication, experience, and willingness to bear the risks of the investment and a potential total loss of their investment. Information provided by MKG Enterprises Corp. is not intended to be, nor should it be construed or used as investment, tax, or legal advice, a recommendation or an offer to sell, or a solicitation to offer to buy an interest in cryptocurrency. An investment in cryptocurrency is not suitable for all investors. Not a deposit, not FDIC insured, not insured by any federal government agency, not guaranteed by any bank or credit union, and may go down in value. And these are just different risk criterias The information is hypothetical concepts is not valid unless accompanied by a prospectus for real estate investment described and an internal rate of return report. The above summary is not a complete list of the risks and other important disclosures involved in investing in cryptocurrency. An investment in cryptocurrency is subject to all the risks and disclosures set forth in a customer transaction agreement and other definite customer agreements. We also provide a nice user registration process. As far as when you open up a self-directed IRA account, there's a $30 account opening fee. From distressed properties, multifamily condos, fix and flip offices, buildings, and raw land, your self-directed IRA account can tap into the booming real estate market. Whether you're an experienced real estate investor or you're looking to get started, Equity Shares, REIT, is here to help. There's also the bridge loan fees range from 9.5% to 18%, with an equity appreciation of 10 to 20% after repair value. The platform listing fee is 1.5% to 2% of the NFT value. There's also selling fees paid to the real estate agent for their commissions, which is 5% to 6%. Staging and prepping costs between 1% and 4%. There's inspections and repairs, which varies. Title, settlement, and taxes between 1% and 3%. And also seller's concession that can be 0 to 6%. We'll also issue the utility tokens, which is MKG EC, which is a max supply of 1 billion. There will also be a property appraisal required for the NFT listing. The estimated fee is $610. The buyer and agent, real estate agent, will have a listing agreement as well as a real estate property valuation. You can also contact us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also LinkedIn. We have a privacy, legal and security, careers, NLMS, consumer access, advertising and disclosures, and also do not sell my personal information, and a little bit more risk. And also MKG Enterprises Corp. is licensed by the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation under the California Residential Mortgage Lending Act 1370394, licensed by the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation under the California Finance Lender Law, license 60DBO 45224. All rights reserved for Equity Shares Real Estate Marketplace.